Where are we at the moment, mate?
We are at London Zoo and we are looking at the two-toed sloth. So it's not only these animals we are looking at, we can also see some flying foxes and some tamanders. There's also a tortoise right there. There's also a tortoise right there, if you can see it. Down in the corner there. We also have we also have three different types of monkeys: the godias, copper-titi, lion tamarins. We There also are boppy boppies here, but we can't really film them because we can't see them. Also, if you didn't see the tortoise, there's also another tortoise right down there. The red-footed tortoise.